So today I am going to make a recipe with jackfruit seed. As you all know, jackfruit is a very popular fruit here in this part of the world. Jackfruit seed, lentil and bamboo shoot. This is a kind of recipe we Assamese people usually eat during the summer days. So this is jackfruit seed. It is very difficult to peel off. So it took 1.5 hours to peel off. It is very difficult part. Rest of the things are very easy. So this is turmeric, this is mustard oil, this is salt, this is culantro leaf, this is my homemade fermented bamboo shoot, this is dry chili, this is pasfuron. Pasfuron you can see in the Wikipedia. English term I don't know. This is pasfuron. This is lentil, bigger size lentil. So these are the things required basically to prepare this recipe. I have to boil the lentil along with that jackfruit seed. It has to be boiled first. Lentils, let it boil. Completely boil. Let me check. Let it boil. Completely boil. You can see. Let's keep it in a bowl. Now this is the second part. I am adding mustard oil. Little bit pasfuron. This much. Dry chili. Let's put boiled jackfruit seed and lentils now. The turmeric, this much of salt. Now put the bamboo shoot. This is the bamboo shoot, this much. Little bit water. Cover it. Now remove the lid. This is the soft culantro leaves. It is for aroma and taste. Very strong aroma, and bamboo shoot aroma also coming. So it is very, the taste is very deep. These are the jackfruit seeds. It is boiled, totally boiled. So this is ready. It would take 5 minutes after boiling jackfruit seed and lentils. Not much time actually. It's a very easy recipe. We North East Indian, especially Assamese people, during summer we eat this recipe. It is good for health also. Especially smell of the culantro leaf is very beautiful smell along with bamboo shoot. Combination of culantro leaf and bamboo shoot. It is just amazing. So I will eat. It is ready now. So jackfruit seed, lentils, bamboo shoot dal. These are jackfruit seeds, very tasty. Very tasty. So regarding health benefit of jackfruit seed and lentils, you can see in the description. And if you want to see how I have prepared bamboo shoot, there is a link in the description. You can see. But it is very tasty and very easy. Not much effort required. Difficult part is peeling off jackfruit seed. It took 1.5 hours for me, and boiling it with lentils at the first step. But next step, adding turmeric, salt, mustard oil, frying it. That part is very easy. Very tasty. You can eat, see, definitely you will tell that it is very tasty. In Hindi it is called dal and in Assamese it is called dali. So let's wind up for today. Thank you.